Remember, on my website, I have got lots of great resources for you to use, but one of the big things on there is under my handouts tab. If you go over there, and if we scroll down just a little bit here to the Future of Diabetes Treatment Project, I've got your rubric here, which is going to kind of give you the step-by-step directions of what you're going to want to have in that presentation.
All right, so the benefits of storyboarding, here's where your notes start. So the benefits, first and foremost, is it reduces the time spent on unfocused and undirected discussion. So in other words, it gives you the planning process of storyboarding, but why it is so important to actually have a plan. Because what will happen is you'll try to go out there and you'll try to just wing it. You'll probably just say to yourself, you know what, I can just worry about the script and figure out what I'm shooting when I get out in the hallway. Well, that's not necessarily the way it works in the real world, okay? So that's what we're gonna talk about today. All right, so here we go. All right, so a couple of examples here. How many of you have ever seen a storyboard before or have done a storyboard? What class? What class? You know what class you've seen them? Okay, what about you? Okay. All right, cool. So this is going to be a little bit different because that's really what storyboarding is it's a way to visually see your story. Okay, so here's another example. It almost looks like what you would think of like as a comic strip, right? Or a comic book kind of thing.
We ran into a vehicle that checked the air pressure on all the tires. Every single one of them was fine. Let the customer know that maybe the problem was internal. Well, the spare tire was the same exact size as the rest of the tires. It was a small SUV. The problem was in the spare. The spare was low. But they didn't tell us that they had swapped tires. So as far as the computer knew, that tire was still low. Well, technically it was, because all they did is take it off, remounted it underneath the vehicle, and went on their merry way. Problem was, the machine or the computer was going, sorry guys, we still have a problem. Hasn't been fixed. Technically, no, hadn't been fixed. When you're doing a front-end alignment, now, those are tires. Do me a favor, remove one of the shoes. Now walk. Okay, we have a tire that's inflated. We have a tire that's underinflated. Is that going to be an accurate alignment? No. Exactly, thank you. So, and one of the things that you guys have to get into the bad habit, and it is a bad habit, is to develop that critical eye. Meaning, you look at, you come up to the vehicle and go, oh, needs a front end alignment. Or today's vehicles are a little more sophisticated. They're pretty much making them idiot proof. Meaning that now they have this little sensors, which we have to calibrate every once in a while.